Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. In this video we will learn about the conditional probability. Now we might have heard about the events that occur. Now let's suppose the events occur A and as well as some of the events occur in the B. So from this we can read it down as the probability of A given the probability of B. Now let's suppose we are interested in all the events that occur in the B, and amongst all those events that occur in the B, there are some events that occur in the A and the B both. So it is the ratio of the intersection of both the events that occur divided by the all the events that occur in the B. Now this is the circle that shows us that all the events that occur in the B, and this circle shows us that all the events that occur in the A. Now we are not interested in all the events. We are only interested in the events that occur in the A and the B. Now this shows that all the events that occur. Now this is the universal, but we are not interested in the universal. So from this is the conditional probability. We are only interested in the events that occur in the B. So amongst those, how many of those events that occur in the A and the B both? So we are actually interested in this part, or we can say that how much of A is in the B. Now let's suppose here we have a problem. Here we can say that there are some of the students who study in the class, and from all those students, we are not concerned with all those students, and from all those students there are some of the students who like the physics as some of the students who like mathematics. So there are 30 students who like mathematics and there are 40 students who like physics, but there are some students among both these who like physics and mathematics both are. So this shows the all the students of the class, but we are interested in those students who like the physics as well as the mathematics. So this shows all those students who like the mathematics, and this one circle shows all those students who like the physics. So from all those students who like the physics, how many are those students who like the mathematics as well? So this is the part. So we are actually interested in this. So probability of A given the probability of B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So we know that the intersection is 15. So 15 divided by all those students of the physics. So 15 students like both physics and the mathematics among all those students who like the physics. So probability of A given the probability of B will be 3 divided by 8. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video.